So after being in the ecom game for a while now, a common question that I always get is always, but Julian, it's too expensive. Like I'm scared to lose money. I don't want to run ads because it's like too expensive. I'm like, bro, I don't know what the fuck information you're putting in your brain through searching on the internet, but I promise you right now, all it takes is $50, even less, to test a product. $50 max, if that's like, you know, if there's buying intention and you want to give it a bit more of a chance, but usually it's anything under a $50 budget. So people are probably like, what? $50? That's pretty much nothing. You know, Starbucks coffee is more expensive than that. So here today, I'm going to show you exactly the low budget campaign testing strategy that I use and that a lot of people are using, in case you don't know about it, that you can now start testing products for a cheap amount and then finally get to start scaling with the money you're generating. So you don't actually have to, like, you'll be profitable. So you don't have to be wasting your money if it's a winning product. So now we're going to be here on my ads manager right here. It's my old ad account. Let's say you got your 3 creatives, you got your products up, you got your website up, everything's good and running, blah, blah, blah. So it's going to be really simple, especially on TikTok. It's going to be super, super simple. All you gotta do is do website conversion. You gotta name your campaign. Usually I like to do like the first 2 letters of the product, or, you know, I don't know, let's say you're doing some type of dress, like flower dress. I do flower dress, and then CBO, because you're in campaign budget optimization, and I do usually FD-CBO test, easy and simple. So the first strategy is going to be a campaign budget optimization. So you're going to do 51.71. Yes, not $50. I don't know if it's true, but I just follow it because if it is true, it doesn't take much at all. Apparently, you can outbid your competition by just adding an extra $1.71. Again, I'm not claiming it's true. I would have no idea. But all you basically got to do is do that. Now select your pixel. Doesn't matter. And you're going to do complete payment. Well, it doesn't matter for me showing you, but it actually matters for you. Make sure it's the right pixel. You're going to do select placement, manual. Take that off. You don't want that. You don't want any of this. Pangle. Like, I don't even know what the fuck that is. What's Pangle? Global, like random. Advanced settings. You're going to take user comment off. You don't need people to comment, honestly. Whether it's bad or good, it's just you're targeting people that are impulse buyers. It doesn't really matter. You're going to usually test in the United States. Canada, never test Canada or United Kingdom, whatever it is. But Canada really is the shittiest market you can fucking test products in. So make sure you're either doing United States or UK, but not Canada, anything but Canada. You're going to do 18 plus, all, or if it's just a female product, you could do just female, but I like to do all because maybe, I don't know, the boyfriends are watching it. You're going to leave all this the same. You're not going to touch this. What I like to do is kind of set the test on the day after. And I like to do 6 a.m. Anything before 6 a.m., I feel like people are sleeping. So it'll just be wasting your money. And anyways, by time your spend starts spending, it only takes like a few hours. So I set it at 6 a.m. and it probably starts spending around 8, 9 a.m. And that's when people kind of wake up. I've made this mistake before. Make sure you press conversion, not value. Sometimes it was automatically going value. Make sure you go conversions. And besides that, everything is good. Now we're going to move on to the next one. So basically what we're going to do is we're actually going to turn use Smart Creative on, but we're not actually going to use it. Now let me explain this to you. When you turn this on, it would kind of create a bunch of different variations of your ads, but we're not actually going to use different call to actions. We're not going to actually use different ad text. We're going to do one. The reason I turn this on because it's actually just easy to just upload. I don't know. Let's just get some random ads in this bitch. It's easy to just... hold on. I'm just going to rename them. So it's easy to just upload because you could just upload the 3 and all at the same time. If you didn't turn creative ads on, you would have to go one by one. So it's just something to make quicker. The call to action, it's just simple. You just want to do shop now. You don't want to do anything else but shop now. Here you're going to add your website. Let's say you just add your website here. And then you're going to add your text. Again, whatever it is, let's say you're selling something for $19. Get yours for $19 today only. Blah, blah, blah. And then you press submit. That is it. That's all. $51 ad spend. And again, like I said, if your ad metrics are shit, then just shut them off early. You don't need to spend the whole $51. So now that's going to be the first one. That's going to be a CBO. Now we're going to restart. Again, I don't want to make this too long because it's actually very simple. A lot of people are so stressed about like their testing campaigns, their setups. It's like, it's really straightforward. Trust me. But now I'm going to do ABO. If you want to test ABO, it's a bit of a longer process, but it's more or less the same thing. So what you can do is literally the same thing. Let's say you're going to do flower dress ABO test this time. You're not going to turn campaign budget optimization on. You're just going to go next because we're not using that. Now, again, we're going to select a pixel. We're going to select for complete payment. We're going to select this. It's really, once you get used to it, it's just really kind of second nature. It's just, you understand now. All this, again, make sure you're not targeting Canada. That's the biggest mistake you probably could make. You're going to do United States, 18 plus, blah, blah, blah. Now, you're going to set this one for 21.71. And again, we're going to set it for the same day and same time as the other CBO. Do 6 a.m. And again, make sure this is on conversion. So that's all good and ready. So that's your ABO set up. Now you're only now going to upload one of your creatives. So again, since you're only uploading one creative, you don't have to turn this on. It doesn't really matter. Actually, to make it simple, just choose from library. Enter a text, anything, doesn't really matter. Well, again, it matters for you, but I'm just showing you the ad setup. Shop now, add your URL, and boom. So you're going to press submit. Now you're going to have, no, I actually want to save. Can I not save? Why can't I save it? Hold on. This should be, I've reached the max limit of ad drafts. See, this is the issue with having unedited videos. But basically what you would do, you go to your drafts over here. Do I have an ABO? I do have an ABO right here. Actually, this is the fucking draft. So this would be your ad group that you created. All you literally got to do, I don't have it here, but you're going to press copy. You're going to have the option when it's published. You're going to press copy and you're going to duplicate it 2 more times and then just change nothing about it, but just switch the ads. You have 3 ads in total. Just switch the ads to the other 2 ads. And that's it. You're going to spend in total of $60 if you spend the full budget. But again, guys, testing ads is not that complicated, and it also doesn't have to be expensive. $50, $60 max a test. Sometimes way less. Sometimes it's $20. That's all it takes. So trust me, you can go make $20 in an hour of a part-time job. Trust me, maybe just save on, don't go buy your fucking coffees. Save a bit and you can test the product. It's really that simple. I don't want to have any excuse that you don't have the money. Because trust me, you can find a way. You can get your money somehow. Again, thank you for watching. Simple, simple, simple. But again, we don't overcomplicate shit. We don't have to. Making money online is pretty straightforward. But again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, share. Because if you found value, someone else did. And it's nice to pay it forward. God's watching, and always paying it forward is the best move to do, because you will receive later on down the line. But again, thank you for watching. Run your CBO's ABO test. Get the fucking bag. And that's when I'll fucking see you at the top.